New DS and DS7 2026. Luxury SUV, Salman World. Premier exclusive, the all-new D7 2026 redefines the premium compact SUV segment by combining luxury, performance, and advanced electrification. Building on the success of its predecessor, this model delivers next-level comfort, spacious interior design, and impressive boot capacity, bringing features usually found in higher-class SUVs. The DS7 E-Tense lineup offers 3 fully electric powertrains: 230 HP FWD, 245 HP FWD Long Range, 350 HP AWD Long Range. With an advanced boost function, power can temporarily increase up to 260 HP FWD, 280 HP FWD Long Range, 375 HP AWD Long Range, 5.4 seconds, delivering smooth, progressive power while maintaining maximum comfort and stability. For efficiency-focused drivers, the DS7 Hybrid is also available with 145 HP. It combines a 1.2L turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor, achieving fuel consumption 5.4 L 100 kilometers, CO2 emissions 127 g/km. This smart hybrid system allows up to 50% electric driving in urban conditions with self-charging technology that recovers energy during braking. No external charging required. The DS7 2026 is the perfect blend of luxury, innovation, and everyday usability, making it a strong competitor in the premium SUV market. Keywords: DS7 2026, luxury SUV, electric SUV. DS7, luxury SUV, electric SUV, hybrid SUV, 2026 cars, world premiere. If you want, I can also create